what we have to do here, we have a list of words, 5 words. 3 of them are linked. What we need to do is find the 2 that do not link to the other 3. Okay, so I'll give you a technique summary on this in a moment, but what you want to do is try to spot the pattern and the connections and the connotations between the words. So 3 of them are related, and then there are 2 that do not follow this same pattern. So let's give it a try first, so you know what I'm talking about, and I don't sound like a madman, and then I'll give you a technique summary. So, horse, cow, lion, pig, zebra. Which 2 words are the odd words out? Okay, Rajan's given me an answer already. Great. Think about why, Rajan. I'm going to come to you to ask why, okay? As soon as you give me it first. Let's let the others put their answers in, then I'll come back to you. Okay. Oh, okay. Interesting answer there from Lila. Interesting. And what do you think, Sophie? Lion and zebra. Okay, so Rajan and Sophie both went for lion and zebra. I presume, Lila, you went for horse and zebra because they're both kind of like, well, like types of horse, really, aren't they? I guess. And so they're a bit different in that respect. Okay, I'm going to come to Rajan. Rajan, why did you go with lion and zebra? Can you explain that one to us?
Because like cow, horse, and pig, they're like farm animals. Like lion and zebra, like savannah.
Exactly, exactly. And I've seen Lila like, oh yeah, yeah. Honestly, some weird stuff goes through your minds when you see these.
Yeah, I did say that, but then I wrote the wrong thing.
Okay.
I said that to Mummy, but then I wrote the wrong.
Oh, right, it happens. When you look at these, sometimes some weird things go through your head because you want to question. And I'm always questioning, right, how many legs has it got? You know, stupid things like that. Where does it live? But it's normally one of those, isn't it? If it's a list of animals. We have 3 farm animals, horse, cow, and pig, and 2 wild animals, lion and zebra. Good. You wouldn't want to see a lion and a zebra on a farm. That would be a little bit concerning, or quite an interesting exotic farm. I don't know. So it is indeed lion and zebra, and there you have a farmhouse.